how to transfer photos from iPhone to computer. If you're having a hard time transferring your iPhone photos to PC, then we've got you covered. Since after watching this video, you'll find out that it's not as complex as you might think. So watch out and pay attention, and you'll be able to do it yourself easily. Well, let's begin. Of course, make sure you've connected your iPhone to your PC via USB. However, to make sure it's yours, then try entering the passcode. Well, supposedly you got it right. It should ask, "Trust this device." Then you should click it. After that, click the Start button, then choose Photos from the menu. There, click Import and select From a Connected Device at the top right corner. Next, choose where you want to save your pictures. Then click Import All New Items. This would transfer every photo you had. But if you plan to only upload certain pictures, click on each of those, then click Import Selected. However, if you have an older version of Windows, like Windows 8, the autoplay would pop up instead. Then it would show Tap to choose what happens to this device, where you should click Import Photos. With that, you could follow almost the same step we did with Windows 10. And in case you run out of luck and Windows Photos did not work, then try this. Click the Windows button and E simultaneously and look for This PC. You should see your iPhone listed under that. Right-click it, then select Import Pictures. Then choose where the photos would be saved. After that, click Import, and we're done. You've just discovered this amazing guide about transferring your iPhone photos to your computer. And now, click this. Let's see the next amazing topic.